Now let us look at the first phrase. I'm fine. நான் நல்லா இருக்கேன். நான் நல்லா இருக்கேன். Now let's break the phrase. Na meaning I. Nalla is good, fine. Irukken is I am. Na nalla irukken. That's how you say I'm fine. Na nalla irukken. But you can also leave the na. You can just say I'm fine instead of saying I am fine. In Tamil, it's normal to say I'm fine. I'm fine. Na nalla irukken. So na is I have lightened that in order for you to understand. Nalla irukken. What time is it? மணி என்னாச்சு? மணி என்னாச்சு? மணி என்னாச்சு? Now let's break the phrase. Money is time. Enna is what. Ache is happened. What time has happened? That's the I'm trying to make that into parts, so when you understand the comprehensive meaning you get the full idea of the language. Money enna ஆச்சு. Money enna ஆச்சு. And ஆச்சு is totally optional. You can even just ask money enna, meaning time what. Money enna. Money என்னாச்சு or money enna. Here, take it. Here you go. இதோ இந்தாங்க. இதோ இந்தாங்க. இதோ இந்தாங்க. இதோ is here. You're being more specific. It's not just this. It is, oh, here, this one. Take it. இதோ இந்தாங்க. இதோ இந்தாங்க. I've highlighted that inga in order for you to understand that it's a more either a respectful form or a plural form. When you're saying this to a group of people, you say indanga. At the same time, if you're talking to somebody elder or somebody respectful, you say indanga. Inda is just take it. Indanga, it's more polite form. Ido indanga. Ido indanga. You can look at the picture there, so it's easier for you to understand when you look at the picture and try to understand the words. It stays in your brain much easier. How far is the எவ்வளவு தூரம்? So just imagine you want to ask how far is the hospital? In Tamil you say hospital எவ்வளவு தூரம். How far is the school? School எவ்வளவு தூரம் or பள்ளிக்கூடம் எவ்வளவு தூரம். How far is the temple? கோவில் எவ்வளவு தூரம். So let's break the sentence. As you see dash or blank எவ்வளவு தூரம், and you have to just fill the blank. Let it be the school or the ground or anything. Ground எவ்வளவு தூரம். The school எவ்வளவு தூரம். That's you fill it with the school or Mary's house. எவ்வளவு தூரம். எவ்வளவு is how much. தூரம் is the distance. எவ்வளவு தூரம். நீங்க வரீங்களா? Are you coming? நீங்க வரீங்களா? நீங்க வரீங்களா? I've written that a little smaller, so you don't read it as varingala. No, that is a slightly constricted place there. You shorten when you speak. If you understand, if you try to follow how I say that, varingala, varingala, gala. That's how you talk it. That's how you say that. Varingala, neenga varingala. Are you coming? Neenga. Neenga is you. In this case, it could be even two children, like you can see that in the picture there, or a man asking to a lady or the lady asking to the man. It's a more respectful form, a more formal way of saying singular, or you talk to a group of people, two children, just as a plural. So it's நீங்க, நீங்க, வரீங்களா, are you coming? La is a question there. வரீங்களா, நீங்க, வரீங்களா. You can see my lesson video number 10 if you want to understand the question, asking questions. I have to go. நான் போகணும். நான் போகணும். போகணும். Again, that A is a little smaller, so you can try to pronounce it in a very natural tone, a natural form, instead of saying pogano. No, it's போகணும். நான் போகணும். நான் போகணும். I have to go. நான், that is I, போகணும், have to go. நான் போகணும். You can see my lesson 28 if you want to understand have to, must to, and all that. I have to go a bit urgently. கொஞ்சம் அவசரமா போகணும். கொஞ்சம் அவசரமா. See how I say that? அவசரமா meaning urgently, போகணும். கொஞ்சம், as you can understand, it's being a little polite. Oh, could you just come here? That's the meaning. Can you just give this? Can you please give that? That's the more a polite form. Here, கொஞ்சம் அவசரமா போகணும் meaning, oh, I have to just go. I have to go just urgently. கொஞ்சம் அவசரமா போகணும். I don't understand. எனக்கு புரியல. எனக்கு புரியல. The man there is looking at the computer and he doesn't seem to understand something. So he says, எனக்கு புரியல. I don't understand. எனக்கு புரியல. I don't understand. எனக்கு meaning to me. புரியல, not understandable. So you have to understand the language as it is instead of a mere vague translation. If you understand that as a language as it is, it's more easier for you to understand the language. You learn it much more faster. I don't understand meaning எனக்கு to me, புரியல not understandable. எனக்கு புரியல. I understand. எனக்கு புரியுது. Just look at the man, he's happy that he understood. எனக்கு புரியுது. I understand. எனக்கு புரியுது. I understand. எனக்கு meaning to me, புரியுது understandable. To me it is understandable. That is the meaning. எனக்கு புரியுது. I understand. எனக்கு புரியுது. புரியுது is understandable. புரியல, which we saw earlier, is not understandable. To me that was not understandable. எனக்கு புரியுது. I understand it. எனக்கு புரியுது. To me understandable. Just say that again. கொஞ்சம் திரும்பியும் சொல்லுங்க. கொஞ்சம் திரும்பியும் சொல்லுங்க. கொஞ்சம் திரும்பியும் சொல்லுங்க. கொஞ்சம் is just please or please. திரும்பியும் again. சொல்லுங்க, tell. சொல்லுங்க is here a more respectful form, like probably that lady is asking, she doesn't understand something and he's asking the interviewer, திரும்பியும் சொல்லுங்க, கொஞ்சம் திரும்பியும் சொல்லுங்க. Just please tell that again. கொஞ்சம் meaning please, திரும்பியும் again, சொல்லுங்க tell, கொஞ்சம் திரும்பியும் சொல்லுங்க. Go slowly. மெதுவா போங்க. Go slowly. மெதுவா போங்க. The two old people walking and you want them to go slowly. Meduva meaning slowly. Meduva, slowly. Ponga, go. And here you're talking to two people, you're adding that nga, and it's the same that you also use for in a formal context. When you talk to elders or even when you talk formally, you say ponga. Otherwise it could be just meduva po. If you want to talk to a kid, you say meduva po. Here you're talking to two people, both are elders, so you say meduva ponga. Meduva ponga. Go slowly. Meduva ponga. It's late. Neramachi. It is late. Neramachi. See, it's 12:43 already. So you say, oh, it's late. Neramachi. Neram achi. Neramachi. Neram achi can have two meanings. That is, it's late. That is one. Like it's 12:43 already. It's late. Or you can also mean it is 12:43. Oh, it's time. I should go. It's time. 12:43. I should go. So it has two meanings. It's late or it's time. Even in English, it's almost the same. It's the same in Tamil as well. Neram ache. Neram is time. Ache is happened. It's gone. It's time. Time happened. Ache is the literal meaning is happened. Neram ache. Neram ache. Neram ache. If you wish to speak Tamil like a native, check my other videos in the playlist on the left. Don't hesitate to ask questions if you have any. If you have any suggestions, please share it so that more people can learn Tamil. Check below in the description for more information. Please subscribe so that I could make more videos. All the best with your Tamil learning. Vanakkam, Varthukal.